Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to make word pages white in dark mode. So what happened guys, when you enable the dark mode on your PC, so it will automatically select the dark mode on your word as well as. So to stop this, if you want to use the dark mode only for your system, you don't want to use the dark mode for your word, so at that time guys, you need to open the MS Office app, any app like Word, Excel or PowerPoint. I have opened MS Word and then go to the file in the top left side corner and click on accounts like this in the account, and then here you can get the option Office theme. Just extend this, so from here it will I think selected to system setting by default. From here you need to select white, that's it. So and then go back. Now your Word document is in white and your system is in dark mode, as you can see guys in my screen. Okay, so this is the easy and very simple method. Okay, so actually this video I'm making for my subscriber. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.